Qualification match 20 as Alpha Robots quickly leave their starting positions along the field wall.
Hi guys.
Some quick samples scored by the Barker Redbacks on the backside in the top left corner of the field. Looks like 2 neutral samples there in the Blue Alliance high basket. For the Red Alliance, the Indubitables quickly scoring specimens. That's 2 specimens on the Red High Chamber. They're going for a third, as the Potential Energy also adds 3 high samples, 10 points apiece. Now a fourth for 40 points on the High Chamber. Both alliances on fairly even footing with 4 specimens scored on the High Chamber in Autonomous, but with some additional scoring in the high basket by the Barker Redbacks. That puts them at a slight lead into our teleop mode. But we've still got plenty of time in the match left to play, as several samples in the high basket for now. Barker Redbacks adding to their collection another yellow neutral sample worth 8 points in the high basket, as they try to get behind the Indubitables along the backside of the submersible, vying for an additional sample. That successfully grabbed, they add it to their collection once again. Indubitables now pivoting to the far right side of the submersible. They grab some additional Alliance-specific samples as they collect a whole gathering of specimens there on that field wall in the observation zone for the Red Alliance, courtesy of their human player. Meanwhile, Roxasian Tech over on the front side of our field. They're carefully driving around that submersible, trying to get samples towards that scoring zone in the net zone. 2 points apiece potential if they can get those samples carefully into that taped off quarter of the front side of the field. For the Blue Alliance, Potential Energy continuing to try to generate more specimens. Their human player converting that sample by adding a clip to it. It's now ready there for their robots on that Alliance wall, as Potential Energy's robot makes its way back towards the submersible zone. They attempted to grab another sample, but with under 30 seconds left in the match, they'll try to get that clipped onto that high chamber. Good for 10 points now, as both of our Blue Alliance robots make their way towards the rungs and ascend up towards the surface. Redback's already up off the tile. Red Alliance continuing to score additional specimens. They're trying to work through their stockpile as they try to score at 10 points each there on the high chamber. 3 specimens left behind as they make their way up into the air. Final score goes to your Blue Alliance of a total of 266 points to 168. Excellent work there from both alliances.
Next up in the program, it's match number